This Christmas, let's create a centerpiece that becomes the heart of your holiday table. A beautiful arrangement can turn any meal into a festive celebration, bringing warmth, elegance, and seasonal charm to your home. Today, we're exploring easy Christmas table centerpiece ideas that feel welcoming, stylish, and full of holiday magic. We'll break it down into 3 simple steps: starting your foundation, building festive layers, and adding the finishing sparkle. No matter your style, these ideas will help you design a centerpiece that's both simple and stunning. Start with a strong foundation. Your base sets the tone. It shapes the structure and influences the entire look of the arrangement. Keep it balanced, natural, and simple. Focus on shape, flow, and proportion so the centerpiece feels grounded and elegant. Don't worry about everything being perfect. A slightly organic, relaxed look adds charm and character. Once your foundation feels steady and visually balanced, you're ready to build upward. Do you prefer a centerpiece that's tall and dramatic, or low, simple, and cozy? Share your favorite style in the comments below. Now it's time to bring your centerpiece to life. Add layers that create movement, color, and personality. Mix different textures, combine soft and smooth elements, and introduce small accents that give your arrangement depth. Use a combination of heights and shapes to keep things interesting. Taller elements add elegance, while smaller ones fill in the design with fullness. Keep the color palette cohesive so everything feels polished and harmonious. If these Christmas table centerpiece ideas inspired your holiday setup, give this video a thumbs up and share it. The finishing touches elevate your centerpiece from simple to spectacular. Add something subtle that brings the entire design together: a gentle highlight, a refined detail, or a single eye-catching feature. When everything feels complete and festive, step back and take in the beauty you've created. Your centerpiece now brings warmth, charm, and a touch of Christmas magic to the table. For more creative table styling and holiday decor ideas, make sure to subscribe. And there you have it, beautiful, easy Christmas table centerpiece ideas that make any holiday gathering feel special. With just a few thoughtful layers and details, your table becomes a warm, inviting space for celebration. Everything used to create these centerpieces is linked in the description below. So this Christmas, decorate with joy, enjoy the process, and let your table shine with holiday spirit. Merry Christmas and happy decorating!